Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to make a quick and easy fast pasta mushroom creamy sauce dish. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates, find out what I'm up to, share with your family and friends, and do message me and tell me how your recipes turn out. One of the biggest things that happens in my house is always a request for pasta, and if the kids eat pasta, I'm trying to always include something in it. So in this pasta dish, I've got some mushrooms, some cream, and I've got some Parmesan. And it's very, very simple. It's quick and easy to do. It takes around about 15 minutes. I think the only thing that takes longer is the pasta type. I'm going to be using a pasta type that has a lot of ridges. And the reason why we're using the pasta with ridges is so it can hold a lot of sauce. I've got some water that's boiling on the hob. And I've got some mushrooms, and I'm going to get it cooking. So I'll see you back at the hob. Okay, I'm going to start with turning on the hob. I'm going to use some olive oil, around about 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, so I'm going to pop in the onions. Now I use the onions and garlic together. Looks like my garlic and onions are sauteed. Just going to pop in the black pepper and the mixed herbs. Now I'm going to refrain from adding any salt at this moment in time. I will do, but because we're using stock, chicken stock, it's quite salty, so I'll use salt towards a bit later on. You can really smell the mixed herbs, and those dried herbs are really releasing the aroma. I'm going to pop my mushrooms in there now. So it's been about 5 minutes, and you can see that the mushrooms have reduced in size and they've started to brown off. Now I'm using chicken stock, so I'm going to pour chicken stock in. So as the mushrooms are cooking off, they're releasing a little bit of water, which is fine. And at this stage, I'm just going to cook them for a bit longer just to reduce that water. Now a lot of the time people tend to say, well, I put cream in, but it's split. So I'm just reducing the heat right down. In fact, I've turned the heat right off, and I'm going to slowly introduce my cream to the mushrooms. Now as that temperature reduces, it'll accommodate and it won't split the cream immediately. There's more chance of it accepting the cream. So this may look like a lot of cream, but I'm going to reduce it to make it a thicker sauce. And in the meantime, I've got water that's nearly boiled, and we'll put the pasta in to boil. And once both items are ready, we'll combine them, and I'll come back and show you in a short while. Okay everyone, so my mushroom sauce is ready. So now I'm just going to include some Parmesan. Now this will thicken up the sauce quite a bit. That's fine, because what we're going to do then is just add a little bit of pasta water just to loosen it up. If yours doesn't thicken as much, then that's fine. I know mine will thicken, so I'm just going to add a little bit of pasta water to mine. Right, my dish is ready. I'll see you back at the serving area.